Some forms are changing across the university. The University of Rochester is shifting from its old FRS chart of accounts system to the new Workday FDM or financial data model. This means a new coding system for the U of R's financial accounts. To accommodate this switch, some forms are changing to include new terminology for consistency. While this does not affect every form in the U of R's repository, most of the finance forms have changed, such as the F-4 Request for Payment form. This form can be downloaded from the Finance Forms page in Excel or PDF format. It is preferred that you complete the form electronically in Excel. This way, totals will calculate automatically. Begin using the new forms after the date listed on this page. The F-4 form has changed. It is used by U of R employees to request payment to other employees, students, or outside resources. The rules for using the F-4 form have not changed. If the payment to a U.S. citizen or permanent resident is for services, you'll need to include a W-9 form. And if the payment is to an individual for study participation, do not include study details. Let's look at how to fill out the new F-4. First, indicate the payee type, the name of the payee, and their address. Also include the invoice expense date. If the payment is for a service, you must declare if the payee is a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. If yes, a W-9 form must have been previously submitted to accounts payable or attached to your form, and you must indicate which on the form. If not, you'll need to contact accounts payable and provide the payee's email address. Indicate your invoice number or remit description, which gets printed on the check. Next, you'll enter the accounts to be charged. These fields have changed as a result of the transition to the Workday FDM. You'll need to enter the company, spend category, and FAO. Locate these using the Financial Data Converter. Company is listed here, the FAO is here, and spend category is here. Confirm the spend category using the job aid and add all of the codes to the form. If you need help using the converter or job aid, refer to the Introduction to Forms video found on the UR Financials website. Put the amount to be billed to each account here. Since we're using the Excel format, the total automatically calculates. Next, select the payment method. If you want the check mailed to your department, indicate so here and include the name, address, and phone number. If you have additional documents you want sent with the check, such as a registration form, check the enclosure box. In the certification section, indicate if the vendor has access to protected health information and if a business associate agreement has been obtained. In the box for business purpose, provide details about the service provided by the vendor. In the bottom section, print your name and title legibly and include your phone number. Print the form. Then, make sure you sign and include the date. It's very important that you get your direct manager's approval so your form can be processed. Make sure it is completed and legible. Now it's time to attach your invoices and any other supporting documentation. Staple the sheet to the center of the form as indicated. Return the F-4 form to Accounts Payable, RC Box 278958, and you're done. If you've filled out anything incorrectly, Accounts Payable will return the form to you with a routing slip. This will explain what needs to be corrected. Once you correct the form, send both documents back to Accounts Payable to finish processing. For help completing the F-4 form, refer to the instructions for tips as well as contact information for asking specific questions. Or you can call or email Accounts Payable. If you need help with other forms, additional videos are available on the UR Financials website. Thank you for watching this video.